All right, see what I'm doing there? Steps up about 6 inches, goes back, steps up again.
Let's hop to it. Oh, yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Got that retaining wall job we got to do back there. Prep it. We're not going to do the wall ourselves. First things is I got to get the skid steer greased up. Dead battery. Do I have any good batteries? That one's decent. Got to get hydraulic fluid to the skid steer, the 249. Mike is coming out with that. I had some, but it's not the right kind. I guess different machines need different hydraulic fluids. I'm gonna get this thing greased up. Still waiting on Mike to bring us hydraulic fluid for that, for the 249. Cut and grade, I like to use about half, maybe a little bit more than half of the bucket cut. That way you can see where your blade's at all times. It's a whole another ball game cutting if you're not on a level surface. Good. See what we're doing here? We got a step up here, a little 6-inch step. Same thing with there, and step all the way to about over there. We're gonna continue cut this out, and then we're gonna go through and rock the whole thing. Got a string line on our property. We're gonna be about 1 inch off of it. It's about 2 foot wide, so we got plenty of space for this wall. But it has come that time of day, my friends. You know what time that is? Lunchtime. I almost tripped. Lunch went good, I guess. Frank's still eating. Oh, fat. Just kidding. So he's gonna hop in the skid steer. We are gonna go to the back of the truck and grab the plate whacker. Stay. I know I said I'd be in the 249 today, but it just makes more sense to grab the gravel that's in the back patios to rock all this in until you get to that one, there's no gravel there. So I'll have Frank and the skid steer go grab it from that pile we got there or something. For now, we're just gonna use the 305 for free. So I put a skip of rock on this just to see where we're at with gravel and how much I'm gonna need to put. So like an inch more there. Right, come on, there, yeah. So I got a little bit more gravel to put down, but we're just gonna send it all the way down that way. Got our first little layer down on this spot. I'm gonna get this, these are the Cavelcos. Get this plate compactor down there to them. Oh, well, you don't want to come off of there, huh? Buried in there or something. More. Now I'll just go ahead of him, spread a little bit of rock. I gotta stay kind of close just in case he needs more in some spots or. Hey, I buried that for a reason. For free. Oh, look at you. Alright, see what I'm doing there? Steps up about 6 inches, goes back, steps up again. Well, folks, I think that's about it. Looking pretty darn good. We had to make a few steps, but it is looking pretty awesome. We're about at the end. We are at the end. Everything's been plate whacked, compacted. It steps again right here for just this little bit to the property pin. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for us, people. If you're new here, my name is Matt. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that thumbs up. Hit me with your questions, comments, concerns. And as always, see you next time, friends.